Kumshi banta ban rakhe ya ka sngi persha ya ka Jingpang TB lane ka World Tuberculosis Day ka office jong ka District Tuberculosis Ribhoi District hapo ka jingilam ka Dr. E Kalwing haka khatlai tarik ulber ar hajar ar phaulai kalapen long da ka jingiai rally ka balasdang nadu na ka office jong District Transport Officer bat ter lapen kod hadu ha office jong ka District Medical and Health Officer Ribhoi District Hakatay ka Jingiad rally lai shimanta rigi Khynnah pule jong ka Skul Oasis English Secondary School, Alpha English Higher Secondary School, baka St. Paul Higher Secondary School.
All of you can follow Khasi? Okay. Because if you put the word, stress the word which you really understand, then only you can put into practice, right? But I believe everyone know how to. When anyone gives a speech, I believe that it really go inside you. And first of all, I should thank you, all the 3 schools of Ribhoi, that you participate in this novel event to eradicate completely the tuberculosis from India. This is to be achieved by the year 2025. Which all the health facilities in the department, they are putting all their efforts to work hard so that to eradicate tuberculosis. And first and foremost, why we need your participation? Because you are the future of the next generation, and you are only the one who can always educate those people who's around your village, your place, and anywhere you go in the public area where I can see now people are aware that they start avoiding smoking in public. This is all because every program had been put forward and by the government had taken a very stern action against those who do such thing in the public places. So since you are the next, as a generation for the future, you are the one only that you should not start using all kind of whatever you have written in your slogan, bad habits, right? Any kind of bad habits can lead to such a sickness. And especially you'll see in the villages, the father will carry a child and he have a smoke. The child will be a passive smoker, right? Though even she didn't smoke, he or she, the child didn't smoke, but they become the passive smoker through the exhalation of the father with the smoke. And that also happened even during pregnancy. When a woman, your relative or your mother, anyone who's pregnant, and anyone who smokes and sits in the room, the child, the fetus itself, had already developed kind of respiratory infection.